This is NAB Show Live.
And I'm here with Kevin Leach, the founding director of InQuality. How are you doing today?
Hey, Larry. Great. Thanks for coming to the stand.
Well, thanks for having us here. Tell me a little bit more about InQuality.
Yeah, we've been going for about 5 years. Our first NAB show was 4 years ago, just after we'd launched ipDTL, which is our main product right now. It's a browser-based IP codec, so you can log into our website, ipdtl.com, on a web browser, and in the studio of your radio station, you log into the same site on a computer, and you can do what you would have done on ISDN in the past for radio remotes to connect between the two locations, but using the internet and without needing ISDN lines.
That's very, very helpful. So it kind of eliminates the need for ISDN and utilizes both browsers.
It does, but what we've done is now made it backwards compatible with ISDN, so you can actually now enter an ISDN number into your web browser on your computer, and even without having an ISDN line, you can act as if you have and connect into the radio station or wherever it is that you need to connect using your computer, but dialing an ISDN number.
That's phenomenal. Now, do you have any other products? Perhaps I noticed we talked about the world's audio network, SIP.audio.
Yeah, right. That's our brand new product that we're launching here for 2019 at NAB show. And it does a similar thing, but what SIP.audio does is also allow other devices to connect between each other. So it's for cross-compatibility, interconnectivity between devices such as the Comrex Access Codec or the Thailand Commander or the iOS app Lucy Live. All of these things support the Opus audio codec and they support the SIP protocol, and we are now bringing them all together through our platform SIP.audio so that you can connect from one to the other or to connect from any of those to our ipDTL product, and therefore it breaks down the barriers that otherwise you have with different manufacturers building different products which couldn't otherwise connect to each other. The SIP protocol and our platform SIP.audio allows you to do so.
That's incredible. So it's more of a translator or to join all of those different technologies.
Exactly that, yeah. It's the system in the middle which brings all of those services together, so that in the future, and indeed now, instead of having to ask what hardware you're using or what protocols you're using or what codecs you're using, you can just ask what's your SIP address. You tell I could be Kevin at SIP.audio. Whatever you're using, you dial that address and that connects through to me, and there's no other questions about codecs or settings or what hardware you're using.
Seems powerful and convenient.
Let's hope, yeah. But and I'm really interested in promoting this way of working and kind of encouraging that best practice across the industry.
Thank you so much, Kevin, for joining us.
My pleasure. Thanks for coming.
Have a great rest of the show.
And you. Bye-bye.
All right, thank you. Again, this is Larry Farmer with NAB Show Live.